Did you know that, on average, people only save 5% of their wages? That's a surprising statistic, especially when you consider that the average savings for individuals under 35 is just $3,000. Now, while every dollar saved is a step in the right direction, it's clear we can do better. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to save $10,000 fast. My name is Bill, and whether you're dreaming of a down payment on a house, your dream vacation, or simply building a financial safety net, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 practical, proven strategies to help you save $10,000 quickly. Let's look at everything from budgeting to cutting expenses, increasing your income, and using smart techniques to save money. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to supercharge your savings and reach your $10,000 goal faster than you ever thought possible. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our latest money-saving financial tips and advice. Now let's get started. 1. Setting clear goals. One of the first steps to saving $10,000 quickly is having a clear and compelling reason why you want to reach that goal. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment on a house, having a strong purpose will keep you motivated throughout the journey. Take a moment to reflect on your personal financial aspirations and what that $10,000 means to you. Once you have your savings goal in mind, it's time to set a realistic deadline. Having a schedule creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. So be honest with yourself about when you want to reach that milestone. Remember, it's important that the timeline is challenging but achievable. Another strategy is to divide your goals. Saving $10,000 may seem like a daunting task, but when you break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks, it becomes much more achievable. Consider dividing the $10,000 into monthly or even weekly savings goals. Not only does this make the goal less overwhelming, but it also allows you to celebrate small victories along the way, which can be a great motivator. 2. Budget. Before you can start saving effectively, you also need to have a clear understanding of your current financial situation. Calculate your total monthly income, including your salary, additional income, or any other sources of funds. Then calculate your monthly expenses, which should include rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any other regular bills. With a sense of your income and expenses, it's time to create a detailed budget. Allocate specific amounts of money to cover your essential expenses, ensuring you can comfortably cover your needs. The goal here is to free up as much money as possible to direct toward your savings goal. Identify areas where you can cut or reduce spending, such as dining out less or canceling unnecessary subscriptions. Creating a budget is just the first step, as you then need to monitor your spending to ensure you stick to it. Use budget apps or spreadsheets to record all expenses. Tracking your spending helps you identify areas where you may be overspending and allows you to make the necessary adjustments to stay on track. It also gives you a clear picture of how well you are progressing towards your $10,000 goal. By setting clear goals and creating a detailed budget, you're laying the foundation for quickly saving $10,000. These steps not only provide guidance, but also help you stay accountable and make necessary adjustments as you move toward your financial goal. Remember, every dollar saved gets you one step closer to reaching your goal. 3. Cut expenses. One of the most effective ways to increase your savings is to identify and reduce non-essential expenses. These are the discretionary spending habits that can quickly drain your wallet. Take a closer look at your monthly expenses and highlight areas where you can cut back. Common culprits include frequent dining out, multiple streaming subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Recognizing and reducing these expenses can free up a significant amount of money towards your savings goals. To reduce your budget effectively, you will need to put practical cost-cutting measures into action. Consider preparing your meals at home instead of dining out, which can save you a substantial amount over time. Cancel any unused or redundant subscriptions, such as magazines, streaming services, or unnecessary subscriptions. Don't forget to negotiate bills such as television, internet, or insurance to guarantee better deals. These small changes can add up quickly and put more money in your savings account. Another problem that most people suffer from is reversing the order of who you have to pay first. Making saving a habit is crucial, And one way to do this is by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a designated savings account immediately after you receive your paycheck. By automating your savings, you ensure that a portion of your income is consistently going toward your financial goals. This pay-yourself-first approach eliminates the temptation to spend all your earnings and ensures that your savings grow steadily over time. 4. Increased income. While reducing expenses is essential, another powerful way to save $10,000 fast is to explore additional sources of income. Taking on side hustles or new ways of earning money is essential to saving money as quickly as possible. There are countless opportunities such as freelance writing, ride-sharing, babysitting, pet walking, or selling crafts online. The extra income generated by side hustles can significantly speed up your savings progress. And if you already spend hours on social media, a good opportunity is to turn that time into money. Many companies currently urgently need people who provide services on social networks and are willing to pay very well for it. If you want to know how to earn extra income with social media, even without having experience and working from home, click on the link in the first pinned comment and start today. Another alternative is to take a look around your home and identify the items you no longer need or use. You'd be surprised how much money you can generate by selling unused goods on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even through a garage sale. Clearing clutter not only puts money in your pocket, but it also helps organize your space, which can be a refreshing bonus. 5. Smart savings strategies. Now that you're on your way to saving $10,000, it's essential to choose the right savings account. Not all accounts are created equal, so it's wise to explore your options. Two popular options to consider are high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit. High-yield savings accounts typically offer a higher interest rate than regular savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. They are also easily accessible, making it convenient to deposit and withdraw funds when needed. Certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a fixed interest rate for a specific period of time, usually ranging from a few months to several years. Although your money is less accessible during this time, CDs generally offer higher interest rates than standard savings accounts. Choose the option that best suits your financial goals and liquidity needs. While traditional savings accounts are a safe place to store your money, you may want to explore the world of investing for potentially higher returns. Investing involves placing your money in assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of achieving a higher growth rate than that offered by a savings account. Investing can be a valuable strategy for building long-term wealth, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and educate yourself thoroughly. If you want to know 5 stocks that generate dividends every month, click on the video that appears on the card now on your screen. As you embark on this journey to save $10,000, staying disciplined is key. Sticking to your budget, avoiding impulsive spending, and consistently contributing to your savings are essential components to financial success. It's normal to face temptations along the way, but remember your goals and the financial security you're working toward. An effective way to maintain discipline is to automate your savings, as mentioned earlier. When a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings account, you're less likely to spend it impulsively. Additionally, regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. Remember, reaching your $10,000 savings goal isn't just about making money, it's about managing it wisely. By choosing the right savings account, considering investment options, and remaining disciplined, you will be setting yourself up for financial success, not only in this goal, but also in future financial endeavors. If you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them here in the comments. Thanks for watching this far. Good investing.